नमस्ते एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू योर ओन चैनल राइजिंग पार्टनर। माय नेम इज शीतल और आज के इस वीडियो में आपके साथ डिस्कस करूंगी विप्रो और टेली परफॉर्मेंस की ओपनिंग्स के बारे में। सो गाइज, यहाँ पर विप्रो के लिए भी हायरिंग हो रही है और टेली परफॉर्मेंस के लिए भी हायरिंग हो रही है। सो इस सिंगल वीडियो में आपको दो जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ की डिटेल्स मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ, दो जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ की डिटेल्स आपके साथ में शेयर करने वाली हूँ। सो गाइज, वीडियो में फर्दर डिस्कस करेंगे व्हाट विल बी द एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया, हाउ यू कैन अप्लाई फॉर दीज जॉब्स एंड व्हाट विल बी योर जॉब रोल। बट बिफोर दैट गाइज, आई हैव अ रिक्वेस्ट, अगर अभी तक आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ आप चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, या फिर आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो भी आप चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, साथ में आप बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस कर लीजिए सो दैट मेरी अपकमिंग वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल जाएगा एंड डायरेक्टली आप उन प्रोफाइल्स के लिए अप्लाई कर पाएंगे। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड एंड लेट्स डिस्कस अबाउट दी प्रोफाइल्स नाउ। सो गाइज, फर्स्ट वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट दी अपॉर्चुनिटी विद विप्रो। सो विप्रो में गाइज यहाँ पर जो हायरिंग हो रही है दैट इज फॉर द नॉन वॉइस प्रोसेस। सो वो कैंडिडेट जो कि वॉइस प्रोसेस में नहीं जाना चाहते हैं, हु आर इंटरेस्टेड टू गो फॉर नॉन वॉइस प्रोसेस ओनली, दे कैन अप्लाई फॉर दिस जॉब। बिकॉज यहाँ पर जो आपकी डीलिंग रहेगी, ये जो प्रोसेस रहेगा आपका ऑर्डर मैनेजमेंट का प्रोसेस है, वेयर यू विल हैव टू डील विद द स्टेक होल्डर्स वाया ईमेल और चैट। यू डोंट नीड टू कॉल एनीबडी। सो बेसिकली आपका यहाँ पर कॉल सपोर्ट का प्रोसेस नहीं है, आपको कॉल पे सपोर्ट प्रोवाइड नहीं करना है। यू विल बी सपोर्टिंग द स्टेक होल्डर्स वाया चैट एंड ईमेल ओनली। सो इट विल बी योर कंप्लीटली नॉन वॉइस बैक एंड प्रोसेस। इट विल बी एन इंटरनेशनल प्रोसेस। तो यहाँ पर जो आपको डील करनी है वो इंटरनेशनल कस्टमर्स के साथ में करनी है, इंटरनेशनल स्टेक होल्डर्स के साथ में करनी है। इफ़ यू विल टॉक अबाउट द एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया हियर गाइज, सो द फ्रेशर एंड एक्सपीरियंस कैंडिडेट्स बोथ कैन अप्लाई हियर। बट यहाँ पर एक लिमिटेशन दी गई है, आप अगर एक फ्रेशर हैं तो वेल एंड गुड, आप अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। बट अगर आपको एक्सपीरियंस है तो वो लोग जिनको अप टू 12 मंथ्स का एक्सपीरियंस है वही अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। सो अगर आपको मे बी 2 ईयर्स का, 3 ईयर्स का, 4 ईयर्स का एक्सपीरियंस है, देन यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू अप्लाई हियर because they are considering people, they are considering candidates who has experience between 0 to 12 months. So fresher can apply and the people who has experience up to 12 months can apply here. And to apply here, your communication skills should be up to the mark. That means your English communication skills should be up to the mark. Majorly the written part should be good because this will be your back-end process, this will be your non-voice process. And the candidate who are graduate can apply here. So if you are graduate from distance or if you are a regular graduate, then also you can apply. So in any case you can apply, but you should be a graduate candidate. The people who are undergraduate or the people who are just 12th pass, they won't be able to apply here. And guys, this can be your 24/7 shift. So that means you will have to work in day shift also and you may have to work in night shift also. So if you are comfortable with both the shifts, then you can apply here. Male and female, both the candidates can apply here. And this will be your backend process. So you should have good knowledge of MS Excel, MS Office. So computers की भी आपको अच्छी knowledge यहाँ पर होनी चाहिए guys. And if we will talk about the job location, so they are hiring for 3 locations. So if you are staying in Calcutta, or if you are staying in Hyderabad, or if you are staying in Chennai, then you can apply for this job. So this particular position is open for these 3 cities. If you belong to these cities, or you can go and relocate to these cities, then you can apply for this job. So the next opportunity is with the Teleperformance, and Teleperformance is hiring for the voice profile. So there are 2 positions open, there are 2 profiles open. One is for telesales and the other one is for telesupport. So maybe you will have to work for a sales process, or maybe you will have to work for a customer support process. So it will be completely depending on your interview that for which profile you will get selected. So now let's talk about the eligibility criteria for the Teleperformance. So the people who are undergraduate, they can also apply here, and the candidates who are graduate, they can also apply here. So undergraduate and graduate, both the candidates can apply here. Freshers can absolutely apply here. If you do not have any experience, then it's okay, you can apply for this job. Or if you have experience, maybe you have 1 year experience, 2 year experience, 3 years experience, then also you can apply for this job. Your communication skills should be absolutely good, and this can be your 24/7 shift. That means you will have to work in day or night, any of the shift. And this will be your 6 days working, and previously we have discussed about the Wipro. So Wipro is 5 days working and Teleperformance is 6 days working. So guys, if you are comfortable working in 6 days, then you can apply for this job. And if you are looking for 5 days working, then you can apply for Wipro. And guys, if we will talk about the salary part, so Wipro is giving up to 2.50 lakh per annum. So that means your package, annual package will be 2.50 lakh if you will be applying for Wipro. So guys, let's talk about how you can apply for this job. So I'm giving you 3 links in the description box. The first link will be for the Wipro for Calcutta and Chennai location. So if you are staying in Calcutta or Chennai, you need to apply through first link, and the second link is for again Wipro, and that is for the Hyderabad location. So if you want to apply for Hyderabad, then you will have to click on second link, and the third link is for the Teleperformance, and Teleperformance is hiring for Gurgaon location. So if you are staying in Gurgaon, then you can apply for Teleperformance, and you need to click on third link. So guys, if you want to apply for Wipro, what you will have to do is you just have to click on the application link. Once you will click on the application link, it will get open, and you will have to click on apply button, which is just at the bottom. So you will have to click on apply button, and your resume will be submitted to the HR, and if your profile will be shortlisted, then they will call back and they will align you for the further rounds. And let's talk about how you can apply for the Teleperformance. So the link I have given in the description box for the Teleperformance, you will have to just click on that link. That will be your walk-in interview, guys. So if you want to apply for Teleperformance, then you will have to go to the Teleperformance office, which is in Gurgaon. And also there is a contact number mentioned before going for the interview. You can just call to the HR. That's HR's number. You can just call on that number and you can fix up your interview. So guys, the interview has been started. The walk-in interview has been started, and the interview has been started from 17th of December, and it will be going up till 31st of January 2022. So between 17th of December to 31st of January, you can go there for the walk-in interview. You will have to carry your resume and one ID proof, because you will have to show your ID proof once you will be going inside of the office. For the interview, you need to go there between 10 AM to 5 PM. So guys, I hope in this video I have shared the maximum details with you, but still if you have any question, any doubt, any query, please do ask me in the comment box. I'll be really happy to help you out. I'll see you soon with a new uninformative video. I am Sheetal signing off for today. Thanks for watching.